Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is meaning and importance of teamwork. Meaning and importance of teamwork. What is teamwork? Teamwork simply means working together with one another. Teamwork simply means working together with one another. Now, importance of teamwork. Importance of teamwork. Teamwork builds self-confidence. Teamwork builds self-confidence. Teamwork builds trust. Teamwork builds trust. Teamwork saves time. It enables us to learn new things. Teamwork enables us to learn new things. Teamwork promotes and improves communication. Teamwork promotes and improves communication. It enables us to achieve more. Teamwork enables us to achieve more. How to achieve teamwork? How to achieve teamwork? Number one, make teamwork a priority. Make teamwork a priority. Set a clear goal. Set a clear goal. Communicate with each other. Communicate with each other. Celebrate differences or diversity. Celebrate differences or diversity. Reward teamwork. Reward teamwork. So children, what have you learned today? We've learned about the meaning and the importance of teamwork. The meaning and importance of teamwork and how to achieve teamwork. How to achieve teamwork. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.